This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Coast Life, how are you feeling? Are you hungry? Did you make dinner yet? It's okay if you didn't, because you can always stop at Benvenuto in Milford, and I'm, of course, here with Chef Zeus. Zeus, how you doing today?
I'm doing excellent. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. What's on our menu?
So we are going to prepare our Coast Life dish of the week, and this is a cranberry walnut chicken. All right.
We start with simple, wholesome ingredients: flour, egg, and a walnut panko mix that gives the chicken a perfect crunch. Chef Zeus seasons every layer with just salt and pepper because sometimes less is more. He uses Freebird chicken, a brand he swears tastes like what chicken used to taste like.
You need the flour so that the egg can stick to the chicken.
That makes sense.
So if we were just to put the chicken right in here and the egg's not going to stick to the chicken, and then it's not going to stick to the breading. So then,
once it's floured, dipped, and coated, that crust comes to life in a hot pan of olive oil until golden and crisp.
Definitely gonna add that crunch to the chicken.
oh yes, it's going to be like super crunchy.
Yeah.
All right. We want him to be golden brown. We don't want him to, he's not going to fully cook in here because, again, he's going to burn, okay?
So how long does it usually take to cook this?
So it's going to take about 1.5 minutes on either side.
Okay.
And then it's going to take about another 4 minutes in the oven. Because remember, it's super thin.
Yeah.
Okay?
After a quick pan sear on both sides, it's into the oven for a few minutes to finish. What comes out is that perfect golden piece of comfort food that already smells like fall.
I'm already kind of getting the smell, the aroma coming through here. This is really like the perfect fall comfort meal.
It really is, but that's the color that you're looking for, see?
Yeah.
And it's already sealed in. It's going to be crunchy. You see those little walnut bits in there?
And if you're inspired to recreate this dish yourself, Benvenuto offers cooking classes, and this Wednesday, they're hosting a special Thanksgiving-inspired session, so you can bring your best dish to the table this year.
So we do a cooking class every month, and this week's class is going to be focused on dishes that you can make for Thanksgiving.
That's exciting.
Yes, I mean, look, you know, it's a lot of fun for me. If I go to someone's place for Thanksgiving, I want to bring something, but I want it to be the best thing ever.
Of course.
Right? So look, so I know that this is perfectly seared on both sides.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this, and we are going to put this in a 350-degree oven.
Yep.
It's only going to take about 4 minutes to finish through, and I want to show you how to make this sauce.
Okay, perfect.
Using that same pan, Chef Zeus adds locally sourced apples, fresh cranberries, a splash of bourbon, chicken stock, pure maple syrup, and grainy mustard. The apples add sweetness, the bourbon brings the heat.
It's not going to flame up the way we want, so we're going to flame it up, all right? All right, so we have our bourbon
Feel that
here.
heat, Coast Life?
Yes, oh yeah. We are bringing the heat for real.
Yeah, we are.
Then comes the secret weapon, butter. Just a few knobs melted right into the sauce creates that silky finish. And the cranberries tie it all together in this tangy, rich, perfectly seasonal sauce. It gives the sauce its beautiful gloss and brings every flavor together in perfect fall symphony.
And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut this off.
Okay.
All right, because this sauce is done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plate this guy, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the oven. We're going to pull our chicken out, okay?
Yep.
And bring it back, and we're going to start plating.
Awesome.
All right.
Okay, we have our chicken, and now it's time to plate. This is one of my favorite parts. Every time I come here, is plating.
Finished with whipped potatoes, a drizzle of that gorgeous sauce, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley, this dish is comfort food elevated. Crisp, sweet, savory, and full of seasonal color.
And look, there you have it.
Oh my gosh, Coast Life, check this out. We have our Coast Life dish of the week. You can stop by Benvenuto in Milford, mention that you saw this on Coast Life, and you can get 10% off of this dish. That is a steal, Zeus. That's a great deal.
It is. It's wonderful. Right?
I'm excited to try it, too. All right, Zeus, I'm gonna dig in here. I definitely want some chicken, and I gotta get the potatoes with it, too. Don't be shy, you could dig in too.
Oh yeah, I'm not. I'm about to go right. I'm gonna take this little corner here. Oh, you hear that crispiness?
Under here.
And what I love about it is you can see all those, little bits there.
Yes, all the burst of color. All right, I got a good bite here. You ready?
I'm gonna have one too.
Oh my God. This is incredible.
That's good.
Zeus, I want this sauce on top of everything. This is really good.
Now, you get the oats, right?
Yeah,
and you get
you
the
do.
walnut. Yes. It's
You
really
definitely
good.
taste that extra crunch in the chicken. And it's amazing. It complements really well.
And it's just perfect for this time of year. I'm going to try one more piece.
Of
Just
course.
to make sure it's good.
While you're trying your piece, Zeus, thank you so much for coming on today.
Yes.
Coast Life, you got to stop in here. Zeus isn't just cooking chicken, he is elevating it, but
Yes.
also here to elevate your experience is Coast Life, so don't go anywhere. There's more on the way.